Hello, parents. This is Mr. Holiday and Ms. Prieto, fourth grade Pepperdine Humanities teachers. We are here to walk you through what you can expect with our next week of distance learning here at Grimway Academy. We are going to be going through a couple of changes that we just need to be aware of so that we can help with any challenges and support our scholars as we move forward with our next week.
So this week we are going to continue reading by the Great Horn Spoon. Your scholars will be reading chapter 7 and 8, and the skill we are going to focus on all week is cause and effect. So we have a few new processes that I want to review with you guys so that you guys can be better prepared to help your scholars. One is the layout of our packet looks slightly different, but it has all the same concepts. So we have here the date, the objective, and the steps that your scholars need to do to complete a day's assignments. For each day, they will have one comprehension question here. One big change that we're doing is all of your scholars' work can now be completed and submitted through Google Classroom, which gives you parents the nice opportunity to be going completely paperless. So if that is something that you guys like and want to do, you now have that option. Let's see. So
Paper will still be available, but we now can go fully online.
Yes. So that means some changes are happening to our Google Classroom. So I want to show you guys that so you guys know what to do. So right now, currently, we are posting everything through this stream tab here. So your scholars log in and they see their assignments here under the stream. This is no longer going to be happening, so now they need to go over to classwork to find their assignments. Over here, all assignments are organized by date and by week. So you'll see that the different weeks over here are on the side. Each day, their assignments will post, and everything that they need will be here. So they'll have their objective and the steps that they need to complete their assignment. We are still doing vocabulary pair deck, which is completed online. Then there'll be a video of Mr. Holiday and I going over the skill for that day. They'll have some independent reading, and then they'll need to answer their comprehension question. So this is where they can do it completely online. Each assignment will have a Google Slides presentation attached to where they just have to open it up. And all of the work can be completed here. All they have to do is type where it says type here, and they can put in their answers, and it automatically saves to their Google Classroom for us to have access to. That way that we can give them quicker feedback. On the next page here is where they'll answer their comprehension question. All they have to do is click in the box to start typing. They can answer it and submit it that way. All right, so those are some of the big changes that we're having this week. I think a challenge for your scholars this week is going to be getting used to this new way if you guys are deciding to go completely paperless. A way that you guys can support your scholars is to maybe complete the assignments with them for the first couple times until they get comfortable and can do this independently on their own. All right, parents? Well, that's what we have going on this week. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us with anything you need. All right? Bye.
See you later.